warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, my name is Nadia Salsabila. Student ID number 2410912320015, Group 2, Mandala. I am from Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, Muhammadiyah University. And today I will tell you about get to know yourself. Getting to know yourself is a deep journey and the first step in a process of self-knowledge. Exploring your potential as well as your weakness and strengths. Getting to know yourself is a deep process, making it possible to understand what you want and need in life. We always not only explore our strength and weakness, but also experiencing the value and beliefs that form the basis for every decision we take in life. Life requires me. Weakness does not mean we have to feel impaired. Instead, it prepares and opportunity to grow and learn. We must also know who we are to help determine life goals that are in line with personal goals. This make every step you take more meaningful. By understanding yourself, you can build better relationships. Knowing yourself is not an end goal, but an ongoing process to each new experience produce an opportunity to learn and open future. We understand who we really are, including our strengths and weakness, accepting ourselves as we are, with all the advantages and disadvantages we have toward the process of reflecting on the experience and value that's from one identity. By knowing ourselves, we can better understand and respect not only ourselves but also other people. Knowing ourselves helps you set clear direction and goals in life and can create self-confidence and independence in making decisions. Acceptance ourselves with all our strengths and strengths is an important step toward mental well-being, because when we ourselves are able to love and appreciate ourselves for who we are, we become more open to grow and change. Regular really open the door to continue personal growth. With each new experience become an opportunity to learn and develop yourself future. When we are able to try to understand ourselves in it, we become more equipped and know how to develop life goals that are in line with personal values, with further meaning and motivation in every step. Every step we take, this also contributes to our ability to empathy toward other people, so that we can establish healthy and more meaningful relationships with the people around us. Based and mutually understanding and respecting. Getting to know yourself is not just a process of introspection, but a recent agenda that makes it possible to experience the depth of self-feeling and value that shape character, so that we can live more authentic and meaningfully. There are many values that can be gained from understanding who you really such as helping to develop a strong sense of self-confidence, making you more realistic in facing important and depressing life challenges. Deep self-knowledge lead us to reflect on past events, understand how each incident has shaped our views, and allow you to take cleaner decisions in the future in accordance with our responsibility and life goals. Steadily knowing our also means having a clear understanding of what we want and need, so that we set goals and focus on our recent tasks to bring meaning and happiness to yourself. Knowing yourself is a deep and meaningful journey. This is not Just knowing our name, age, or everything, but also understanding who we are inside, the values we hold, and goals we want in life, the present in the honest and open reason, the conflict, positive and negative energies, obstacle we need to everyday life experience that have served us will make you happy, what makes you feel hurt. By answering this question and with the journey to knowing yourself, the first step forward with a better of yourself was a life more efficient, make better decisions, and contribute to more the days around with yourself that continue over time and very small step we take to realistic will bring us to a more fully meaning life and we can understand of the happier and make sense of certain situation. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.